Welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we've got the Airfix Grumman F6F Hellcat, kit number 02087. This one's from 1989 and was released as part of the World War II Aircraft of the Aces Special Edition series. We've opened a few others from this collection on the channel before, so if you're interested, we'll link those at the end of the video. This is a 1/72nd scale kit, so it's on the smaller side, and in this boxing you only get the one scheme option. The parts themselves look pretty good though, nice and sharp for the age, and I think this could make for a really satisfying little build. One of those mojo lifters, where you can get it together, throw some paint on, and feel like you've made real progress in an evening. This kit commemorates Commander David McCampbell, the US Navy's top scoring ace at the end of World War II, with 34 aerial victories to his name. During the famous Marianas Turkey shoot in June 1944, McCampbell scored 7 kills in one mission. And later that year he downed 9 enemy aircraft in a single day while flying his F6F, the Mincy III. Those achievements made him one of the most celebrated American naval aviators of the war. Now let's get back to the box contents, and unfortunately the decals are missing from this kit, which is a shame, but it does still have the instructions. They're presented in this exploded view style, which I've always found a little bit confusing, but I know some modelers really like them. So that's the Hellcat, small kit, neat details, and a piece of history tied to one of the great US Navy aces. Would you build this one up? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this retro unboxing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more kits and more nostalgia. We'll see you next time.